Hey guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, guys, I'm going to be sharing something with you. Like I'm going to be sharing an experience with you. Like I used to hear this thing, but I used to hear it and believe it, okay? Because it has happened to someone closer to me, but it has never happened to me. Though I used to believe it because okay, I say it's an experience because I've actually witnessed it happen to another person, not to me. But this time around, guys, it happened to me. So I'm going to be sharing it with you. Okay. So before I start today we are going to be talking about my experience concerning this mobile money scammers. Like these guys that they scam people through mobile money. That is the experience I'm going to be talking about with you. All right. So I'm going to just put I'm going to put the proof so you can actually see what I'm talking about. I'm going to put the proof so you can see pictures of the proof. All right. But before I start, I want to first of all welcome all my subscribers. Thank you so much for always coming back to watch my video. This is your girl Ako Yvette reporting on Ako Yvette TV. All right, guys. So if you haven't subscribed, what are you still waiting for? Do subscribe because we give a little of everything happening around the world. We talk about football. We talk about biographies. We talk about we give starches, viral video, like a little of everything happening around the world. That is basically what the channel is all about. Okay. We also have another channel called AK School of Thought that is all about education. So if you want fun, you come here. If you want education, you go there. So we cover you all around. Okay, guys. So without wasting much of your time, let me just explain exactly what happened to me. Oh my god. Like this one, I didn't take it. I just thought it was just a one-time thing. So this particular incident, I did not actually screenshot it. But this other one, since they forwarded a message to me, I screenshot it. Okay, so this is what happened. I got up in the morning. I think it was on Tuesday morning, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, it was on Tuesday morning. I got up. First thing first, I saw my phone. My phone was on charge, guys. I was sleeping. First thing first, I saw my on my phone was uh a withdrawal of 12,000 that I should input my pin. That a withdrawal of, I used to withdraw from mobile money like all these Cameroonians and others. I don't know how you do out of Cameroon. I don't know how it happens to you guys, but you know how it happens when you want to do a withdrawal in Cameroon here, right? So this message goes to everybody, all the countries that wherever you are, if you are using mobile money, it can happen to you. They can scam you, all right? So but this method I'm talking about is actually the method in which that in Cameroon operates. Okay, MTN operates when it's doing their transaction through my mobile money. I know mobile money operates out of Cameroon as well, but I don't know what the kind of information they send to you as well as you are in the process of doing a transaction. So to us, there is a particular process they used to follow. So you know how you used to do your transaction, and now they will send a message to you that you were about to do a withdrawal of maybe this amount. So I got up in the morning. First thing first, guys, my phone was on charge. First thing first I saw was I should input my PIN that I'm about to do a withdrawal of 12,000. Oh God. Me, I've been sleeping. My phone was on charge. When did I even go out to do this when did I even go out to do this transaction? I did not bother or I cancelled it. Oh God. As I cancelled that transaction, I let it go. I kept my phone prepared. I was about going to the market or to the market at as of that time. Prepare my things about going to the market. I saw another message again that I should input my PIN. I'm about I'm making a withdrawal of 111,000. I say me. When? I mean, I've not even gone out of this house since morning. I cancel it. Oh my god. I went to the market, did my things, bought my things, blah blah blah, came back to the house to start cooking. My phone rang. In my phone, I had about 14,000 something. I can't know the exact amount behind it, but it was 14,000 something. Guys, my phone rang. A guy called me. I mean, guys, if you hear this voice, it was like an angelic voice. A voice that if there's somebody tells you that that voice can hurt a fly, you say no. That voice can actually hurt a fly, guys. You say no, it's not possible. Oh my god. The guy called me, oh, hello, madam. I'm calling from Limbe. I'm operating a mobile money kiosk. I made a mistake and I sent an amount of 70,500 francs to you. Please, can I can you send it back to me? I say, anyway, let me drop. I told him drop. Let me check. Okay, let me check. But let me assure you this: I'm not going to input that code that mobile they used to use to operate mobile money. That is *126#. I'm not going to input that code. All right, that's not going to happen. What I'm going to do is I'm going to just go into my inbox and check if I've received any amount. Oh my god, guys! Only for me to go into my inbox, I actually saw this guy's number showing that they have deposited 17,500 francs in, as you can see on the screen, guys. As you can see on the screen, showing that they have deposited 17,500 francs in my mobile money account, and there is, and they actually total it with the 14,000 I had. It equal to 31,000 something something. Like it was just like almost true. But I just I just knew this were scammers. These were scammers. I called him back and I told him that, yeah, I've seen the amount that you have deposited in my account mistakenly, as you said. But you know what's going to happen? Because as far as I'm concerned, scammers that have been scamming, they scam one of my auntie in Yaoundé. So I'm not going to make that mistake. I'm not going to. So you know what will happen? I'm not going to input that code. I'm not going to resend. There's no way I'll resend the money to you again, because I've already told you that I will not input that mobile money code. That's *12126. I'm not going to use that code maybe for 2 days, because I can use that code like that. You people get what you want. So to be on the safe side, I'm not going to use the code at all. But you know what? I told him that I'm going to send him, I'm going to take this his number, right? I'm going to send him the money the next day. It was actually in the morning between 10 and 11 like that when I actually came back from the market, because I went to the market so early. So within that I was already back around 10, 11, 12. Within that I was already back. So I told him that I'm going to take my own money, go to the mobile money kiosk, deposit the money, 17,500, because he told me that okay, I should send him 17,000 and have the 500 as my credit. That's what he told me. I said, look, I'm not even interested in that your 500 you're saying. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go to a mobile money kiosk and deposit this amount of money to this your number. But you say that me, I'm going to operate my mobile money to send you, it's not going to work. And do you know when I'm going to do that? I'm going to do that the next day in the evening. The guy was like, no, 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 it's going to be too late, because he knew that even if I was ignorant of what was happening, by the time the the time I'm saying I'm going to send that money reaches, I must have told somebody, and the person must have enlightened me that this is a scam. So he didn't give me any breathing space. He didn't want me to even. He didn't want me to even think. He didn't want, like, but he didn't know that I'm already aware. And my kid sister too was in the house. She was already aware. She knew that this is what is happening. She was telling me that scammer. I thought I already know, but I want to. He's the one that called. I want to waste his credit. I want to waste his credit. So I kept on talking. The guy was like, "Oh, I'm talking to him." I said, "No, no, no. You wait. You have to trust me. You have to trust me so I can. You can be patient." I said, "You made the mistake and send the money in my account, right? So you have to be patient. You have to trust me and be patient for me to go and send that money to you the next day." The guy was like, "No, no, no, no. I should not be talking like that. He needs to use the money. He's actually working under somebody. This is a mobile money kiosk. It's not his personal money." I say, "Oh, oh, 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 oh. You made a mistake, right? I can actually drop this call." That's what I was telling you. I can actually drop this call, block your number, and I will not send you the money again. Guys, I wasn't planning on sending any money. Oh my god. So this guy did not allow me to breathe. This guy did not allow me to breathe. I said, okay, I dropped the call. He was talking too much. He said he started to me that I'm talking too much. That why will I be behaving like that? Oh, it's not good for me to be behaving like that. I should wait. That trust is a two-sided thing. That's what he was telling me. That trust is a two-sided thing. I told him that okay, this is not about trust. This is not about me trusting you. It has nothing to do with me. It's not about me trusting you. It has nothing to do with me, because you are the one that made that mistake. So you are the one that is supposed to be patient. Trust me for me to send that money to you the next day. The guy did not want to listen. The guy did not want to listen. He Do you know what he did, guys? He has actually forwarded that message to me. He actually forwarded that message to me. From what I know, guys, if mobile money, if there is any transaction through mobile money, this is how it's going to look, as you can see on the screen. You cannot even send a message to mobile money. You cannot say, look, okay, look at this other one. He forwarded the message to me through this number, right? Okay, look at the number. I activated SMS 20 francs that day, and I sent hello to him, and he went. If it's mobile money, guys, actually what is going to come into your inbox is mobile money. You're going to receive a message from mobile money. The heading is going to be mobile money, not this number, not a number, not a number, guys. So you should actually see the difference, and you should be very, very careful and be aware. So if you see they say, oh, they have sent any money to you, they have done this, first thing first, even if you want to consider them as scammers or not, first thing first, check who has sent a message to you. If it's actually mobile money, they have sent that message to you, you see like this, mobile money, as you can see on your screen. But if it's that they forwarded the message like they did to me, you can see the difference. He forwarded the message to me, and I actually sent a message, hello, and it went. But if you send this message to MTN, hello, it's not going to go. You can see the difference, guys. So nobody should deceive. So finally, what happened is that I dropped the call, and I told him that if he doesn't want to be patient and trust me, he should actually leave it. So he called again. My kid sister picked and told him that, why are you such a liar? You forwarded a message to us and you're saying that you mistakenly sent. That guy dropped the call and never called again till date. As he called the last time, my kid sister picked and told him that, why are you such a liar, brother? You forwarded a message to us and you are lying that you made a mistake of a transaction. And then the guy, he's the one that called. He dropped the call. He discovered that we have already know, that we have discovered his trick. He discovered that we know exactly that this is a scammer, and he dropped the call. Guys, you have to be very, very careful. I mean, these people, they are dealing with people every. I mean, they took almost 100,000 from my aunt in Yaoundé, all because of this nonsense, 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 nonsense. Sometimes they will just, you get up in the morning, you have not done any transaction, or you just sit in your phone, you have not done. MTN has been sending this message over and over. That there's never a day that they will send a message requesting for your PIN. If they want to do any transaction to you, they'll call you to the office, you go there and do. There is never a day that if they need your PIN to do any stuff or what, they will actually call you to the office. You go there and you yourself, you'll be aware of what you're doing. Not that they would, MTN would never, MTN has been sending this message over and over, that there is never a day he will send that message and requesting for your PIN. So you have to be very, very careful, guys. No one should, don't ever, if you haven't done any transaction or you haven't called anyone to do any transaction for you, don't ever just sit and see a message in your phone requesting for your PIN, and then you just go in and then you just put your PIN. Guys, be very, very careful. Be wise. Be wise. And I've told you to how to differentiate. If they forward the message to you, first thing first, whether they're scammers or not, this is what you should understand. First thing first, if there's any transaction that is done through mobile money, the heading is going to be mobile money, like you can see on the screen. But if they forwarded the message to you, it's going to be a number, like you can see this other one. This guy forwarded this message to me, and as he forwarded the message to me, when he called, my kid sister told him that you forwarded a message to us and you're lying. He immediately dropped, because that's exactly what he did. And that was all. He never called again. He never said anything again about his money. And do you know, guys, even though that 17,500 plus what I have my mobile money is showing, is equal to that 31,000 something, as you can see on the screen, I checked my balance the next day. It was showing just exactly the 14,000 I had on my phone. There was no additional money on it. It was just showing the 14,000 I had on my phone. There was no additional money on it, to show that this guy actually forwarded this message. Guys, these guys will not sleep. They will not sleep. They will never sleep. So you to be very, very careful. At times like this, when they are discussing such things, at first when people are talking about such, I don't like to get involved in it. But I say it's very, very informed. They say if you are not informed, you will be deformed. So sometimes when they are discussing such things, get involved and learn, so that it should not fall into their trap. Okay. So that is just what I have for you today. Thank you so, so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Thank you so much. And please do have a blessed day. Bye.